Hey guys, today is Tuesday and we are in Tallahassee. We are going to the mall here because my birthday weekend is next week and I don't have anything to wear, so we're gonna go looking and all of that today. So I have not done an update on just what everything's been going on. I will do that in a separate video, but yes, we are officially married. Let me get y'all so y'all can see the ring. Yep. See? We officially married. I am waiting. Oh, y'all can see my hands might be a little ashy, so y'all have to forgive that. But, so I'm waiting on our marriage license to come in the mail so I can go and get everything changed over. I will officially be a Barnes on paper. So, yep. So that's what we got going on. Any updates for the people? It's been a minute. No update.
Oh, you talking to me?
Yeah. You like what? No update for you? No, just okay. Whatever I say.
Yeah, whatever you say.
Okay. Want to get the shorts? Show the thigh meat.
No.
Why? Go ahead. You've been working out. You can do it. Show the thigh meat. Hey guys, so we are in Dillard's and we were just looking around for some things for him. And yeah, just left Forever 21. I got a few items, got some stuff to wear. Well, I got a dress to wear for my birthday dinner, possibly, unless my other dress comes in. I don't know. But okay, what's up with face?
Sad. Now look at her.
Brave. What's brave? What are you getting?
For me?
Yeah.
Seafood platter.
Seafood platter. The poo-poo platter. Remember that from Buzz Light?
Yeah.
Who ordered the poo-poo platter?